everyone. Thanks for watching. My name's John Gardner with Good Earth Natural Foods in Hot Springs, Arkansas. We have Diane Holman back, and she's a broker, like we mentioned, out of the Dallas, Texas area, and has come all the way just to share your knowledge with us, right?
All the way to Hot Springs, yes. And I love it here. It's beautiful.
Well, thank you. And one of the companies that you happen to offer is Enzymedica.
Uh-huh.
Can you tell us a little bit about Enzymedica?
Absolutely. Enzymedica is specifically an enzyme company. They are known in the industry as the enzyme experts. Enzymes is all they do. They've been in business since the mid-'80s, and the founder of the company, Tom Bohager, he has done extensive research on the benefits of enzymes and found that there's so many extraordinary things that enzymes do. Without enzymes, we couldn't breathe or see or hear or feel. We absolutely need enzymes. They're vital to our life. We actually have a certain amount of enzymes that our bodies will produce over our lifetime, and as soon as those enzymes run out, our life ends. So it's really important that we sustain as many enzymes as possible. And basically, enzymes have the ability to do a whole lot more than just digest our foods. And through Tom's research, we've learned all the wonderful things that enzymes can do therapeutically, working with our body as far as working on various diseases and immune issues and things like that. So,
what is you touched on it a little bit. What is the difference from Enzymedica and the technology that I believe it's called, the patent name is called TheraBlend?
TheraBlend, correct.
Versus other companies do not have this. You're the only ones that have the TheraBlend. So what is TheraBlend, the term TheraBlend?
Well, the enzymes, there are different types of enzymes in every category. For instance, protease is a single enzyme, and proteases break down proteins. However, there's not just one strain of protease, there's 4. And that goes true for amylase and some other enzymes as well. There's not just one of each of those enzymes. Amylase breaks down the sugars and starches, and then lipase breaks down your fats. But each of those, within each of that category, has 4 to 6 other enzymes. So in other words, for protease, for protein, you have whey protein, you have egg protein, you have milk protein, you have various different proteins. So this covers the whole spectrum of all those proteins and all those carbohydrates and all those fats and all those sugars, as opposed to a single strain enzyme, which may cover one, but if that person is not digesting a different one that particular enzyme does not have, then it's not going to be helpful. So with the TheraBlend, it's going to break down, it's going to work as a broad spectrum throughout the whole entire body, throughout the whole digestive system. The other thing is, in doing that, certain enzymes work in certain pH ranges. So if a person's pH does not match the range where their single enzyme is able to be active, then again, it's not going to be active in that person's body. So with a TheraBlend, again, you have guarantee that it's going to work in any pH level, any body temperature, and throughout the whole digestive system, as opposed to a single enzyme. So.
Wow, that's excellent. A great way to share that. So basically, in a nutshell, if you may be taking a digestive enzyme from another company, that's fine, well and good. But however, Enzymedica is, I guess you'd say, supreme because they've done all the research. They even have a patent called TheraBlend, basically to guarantee a delivery to help everyone, no matter what stage or what age in life they are. So if they're acidic or if they're alkaline, it really doesn't matter. If they're eating a good diet, bad diet, the food will be digested.
It's going to be digested, yeah.
Okay.
And with proteolytic enzymes, they're finding so many therapeutic uses where it's breaking down foreign proteins in our body. It could be anything from bacteria to a virus to inflammation. And those are the kind of enzymes that work systemically with our bodies that need to be taken away from food, and it helps work on our bodies. So for various types of things like arthritis, mucus, different acid reflux, different things like that. Besides just besides just the digestive issues. So.
Those are many items that are singled out for causes that you guys offer. But this week we're offering, or just wanted to share, Digest Gold, the #1 selling item from Enzymedica.
Yes.
So what is Digest Gold? Well, how is it different? There's another one you have called Digest and also a Digest Basic. So you have 3 different levels, and this is the supreme.
Correct. Digest Gold is actually the #1 selling digestive enzyme in the country. And it is also the most concentrated one you're going to find in the health food industry. So it is a very powerful enzyme. It'd be good for anybody dealing with any kind of colitis or digestive disorder through the acid reflux, heartburn. If you get bloated after you eat, various things like that. But also, it's strong enough to work therapeutically if taken away from food. For your inflammation and your mucus and your viruses and stuff like that as well. So it's just a matter of whether you take it with food or without food on how the enzyme is going to work for you. So, and there's various strengths. So we have our basic introductory digest enzyme called Digest Basic, which is very price friendly for the consumer that wants to try Enzymedica and get the benefits of the TheraBlend. And that one's going to be great for any kind of digestive issues. And then it moves up to actual Digest, which is twice as strong as a Digest Basic. However, not to discredit, Digest Basic is still going to be stronger than most of your other enzyme out there that are single strain enzymes, because again, this is not a single strain enzyme. So you move up to Digest, and then for those with more chronic issues would be the Digest Gold. So.
Wow. Well, excellent. Well, we appreciate you coming and spending time with us and educating everyone. I wanted to show that we have samples every once in a while, so you're welcome to come in if you're interested in anything that we've mentioned. Pick up a couple samples, and we even have free CDs that Enzymedica is so gracious to offer to us, and you're welcome to take that as well. And it's really awesome. It covers a lot of information. It does talk about the TheraBlend and the different formulas that you guys have come up with. So yeah, and you can listen to that at the convenience of your home or in your car, and hopefully make a smart buying decision later on.